My name is Juan Chavez. I've been working at All Metals for 18 years. I started working here as a helper. I just got out of high school. I was going to college, and a friend of mine, was working here, and they told me they were hiring. And so I came in, applied. I talked to Billy, and he told me to stay right away. And I've been here since then. Like I say, I started as a helper. I've been, then they put me on the machine shop, and I kind of like it because I was doing that on the community college. I did that for 6 months, and then so I kind of stay at it, and I saw that I was learning more here than what I was actually learning at the community college, so I just quit that and stay over here. And they kind of give me the opportunity to kind of learn how to program, set at first run menu machines, then the CNC mills, then how to program. And right now I'm the lead, the manager of the machine shop. It's a lot of fun. I mean, like I say, from the beginning I saw that they were I mean, of course we got repeat customers and repeat jobs, but it's you're always doing something new. You're always using your head a lot, so you have chance to kind of like improve on your things that you do on the everyday to day basis. So, but I mean, yeah, that's basically the main thing that I like, that you don't do the same thing over and over. You always thinking about good ways to kind of be productive, for sure. I started working here in '05, and then '08 happened, and even then he didn't lay off anybody. So I knew that he cared about like at least you were always getting 40 hours. A lot of places don't do that, but I saw that how much he cared. And then with Billy, the same thing. They got a lot of benefits, good benefits. I mean, but that's the main thing. How much they care about the employee. Because I mean, I started working here when they were actually paying for the whole family insurance. I was still lucky enough to to get. They're not doing that anymore but yeah, they still do that. They were doing that with me. A lot of people, everybody that started before '08, they did that to them. They were paying for the whole family, health insurance and all the other benefits. But yeah, I would say, one thing is that they care about the employee, for sure. They give you the chance to grow. So yes. I guess the first time they told me that was enroll on the 401k, because I was pretty young back then. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be a good benefit for me and for my family, for sure. But I mean, yeah, I remember that. So, and I mean, say there's been some other. I mean, they do this hunting trip, and I'm not a cold weather person, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for the experience and actually kill a deer, in that trip, and it was pretty fun. I mean, the whole experience was pretty awesome, for sure. It seems like we're heading in the good direction. Now under Lance and Jim, for sure they got a lot of good ideas that they want to improve, and it seems like they want to be more automated, and that's something that that we're really looking for. But yeah, I mean, it's the ideas that they bring, and they're pretty, they look pretty, they sound pretty good, for sure. We got a 5-axis mill. That one is pretty it's pretty fun. I mean, programming it, setting it up, run it, learn it is pretty awesome. I mean, like, to see where the technology was 20 years ago, and where technology is now, it is it's like day and night, for sure. That machine is pretty fun, and the culture, everything is fun. Like say they like say the benefits, people, the people that a lot of people that works here is being here for a long time. That tells you something about the company. People want to stay. People want to tell you something about the company. Tell you something about the person. Tell you something about whoever's running the shop. So it's pretty fun. That's something that I like. You don't see a lot of new faces, but I mean, we get new faces here and there. But I mean, mainly the same people stays around.